So today, we're not getting a shower. Well, we might get a shower later, but as of right now, we're not getting a shower. So everywhere in New Zealand, they have these Nivea Men Invisible Bubble, and then the deodorant or the antiperspirant or whatever hits the bottom, and then you apply. It's like this. There's no one here at this campsite. Next order of business, let's go check out the bathrooms.
Boil all water before drinking.
Basically, it's just this like hut in the middle of nowhere. Jess said that there's like bird poop and stuff all over the seat, so yeah, it doesn't look very appetizing, but. So it's the Coromandel Forest Park. You know, we're right beside a river. We listened to the river all night, which was awesome. Lots of birds doing bird things. And then we're gonna go to the Coromandel, so the township of Coromandel. I think we're staying just in a campsite just north of Coromandel, so should be really good. How is it, dry? All right, awesome. On the road again. I do realize there's gonna be a lot of this, like monologues in the car. Anyways, we woke up this morning. It was a beautiful, beautiful morning. So the first place that we are gonna be going is a place called Hot Water Beach. You get a spade or a shovel and you dig a hole in the sand on the beach, and then you sit in the hot water, and that's about it. Jess says there's a lot of roadkill on the streets.
A lot, yeah, crazy.
Crazy.
You notice it, literally every few feet there's just squash bananas.
Squash bananas. We have a nice little kitchen in here. We're just eating lunch out the back of the old Red Dead Redemption. That's what we're calling our car, by the way. Red Dead Redemption, because the second one's coming out in like a week, and we're pretty excited about it. Unfortunately, we're gonna skip Cathedral Cove this time around, and we're gonna head right to our campsite, which we're actually pretty excited about. We're gonna be able to bring out our chairs and play some Phase 10 and have some wine and actually just chill out. So I'm actually really looking forward to that part. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So this is the road that we're taking to get to the Coromandel. Kind of a quicker way. We're gonna go up to Fatatangi. The WH sound, just so you guys know, is pronounced as an F. So it's actually Whitianga. Alright, there we go. We were gonna go to Whitianga to get petrol or gas, as you fellow Canadians say, but we realized that there was a bit of a shortcut, and it's like a real shortcut. It's not a highway at all. It's like, feels like it's a one-way go-kart track. Hey, Jess?
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy. It's really slow, and it's pretty dangerous coming around some of these corners because you don't know who's coming the other way. Here in New Zealand, they have a lot of one-lane bridges, So they have a sign either that you have the right of way or that the oncoming traffic has the right of way. We've seen tons of them so far. We are in the middle of nowhere right now. Like, wow, look at this. That is a pig.
Oh my gosh, look at all the little pigs. Oh, those little baby ones.
What do you think of the pigs?
Oh, the little piggies are so cute.
We are finally off that dreaded gravel road. I am like exhausted just tracking the road and staying with it. Hey, Jess, how you doing?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
It takes it out of you.
Workout on your arms, actually.
Arms?
Yeah, just going back and forth and back and forth.
What about eyes? My eyes.
Yeah, my eyes are burning.
My eyes are like, jeez. We're getting gas. The prices for gas right now, $2.52 per liter. Let's go load that ice up, babe, and then we'll get to our campsite. Hi there, we're pretty close to arriving. We want to know about availability. Is there availability for 2 adults in a tent? Okay, great. We'll see you in 10:15. Okay, thank you, bye. Hey guys, it's day number 3 here. We've woken up at the beautiful Coromandel. Although it is overcast, the temperature is awesome. Jess, she's just come back from a shower.
Hey.
How's the long walk up?
Hard.
How are the showers?
Really good.
Yeah? Sweet, my turn. I think we're gonna go into the town, a little bit of walking around and stuff, and check it out. We were there last night, I was trying to upload my video. The Wi-Fi was not so good, and we just came back here and we had a couple of wines and we were able to actually sit outside because it wasn't raining, so it was awesome. So this is our setup here. Make sure you gotta check all your oil and make sure you have enough gas and your tires are all good. And before you go on these road trips, and take a look at the oil dipstick here. So we're getting up near the full mark, which is really good on the onset of a road trip. Just wanted to check the oil before we take off to our next destination, which I think after the Coromandel we're heading to Auckland. The Red Dead Redemption, the beast is it's done us well, hey? So far. I mean, we're like, this is day 3 out of like 40 days, but yeah, no, it's been good. So.
Charging all the stuff.
Talk to me about what we're doing here, Jess.
You have to charge up everything again. So we've got a computer, our only phone with access to data and telephone. Then we have my phone and the speaker. And then we're gonna plug in the camera.
So our first night was like no Wi-Fi in the middle of nowhere. Literally it was a field. This one is a little bit more upscale, but the funny thing is that this one's only $3 more.
Yeah.
So it's like hot showers, kitchen, and a power station. And there's like nobody here. So I think we're doing this whole road trip at like a pretty good time of year, both because it's not like crazy cold. It's really nice temperature in the day, but also like not a lot of people are doing this. So, but yeah, so far so good. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the hobbies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. thing I was saying to Jess was that you really do truly feel like you're on an island. I mean, we are on an island and I understand that, but it definitely doesn't feel like the mainland at all. It's got that real like island vibe. I'm starting to really begin to be dazzled by this country. I'm just absolutely floored at what we've already seen, and it's only the 3rd day. So epic landscapes and so much more to come, which I'm super excited about. And slowly but surely, you know, I'm starting to fall in love with this country. It's absolutely unbelievable. I guess recycling day in the Coromandel is Wednesday. Or is it recycling truck? Yeah.
Are you ready for some fish and chips there, young lass?
Yes, definitely.
So 2 first and 1 scoop?
Yeah. That is like the most massive amount of food.
How much was this, Jess?
$13. And this is $5 for the sauces. Very key sauces.
13 bucks. That seems like a really good deal being here in New Zealand. So apparently this is lemon fish or teriyaki.
I could not eat this by myself.
Look at this fish. Oh.
Fresh caught fish and chips in the Coromandel, New Zealand. So good.
All right, guys, we had a really chill day, just walking around the Coromandel and just talking to locals, and we picked up some food and had some fish and chips, as you saw. Came back here. We actually had a nap because we were pretty tired from the whole day. And now we're just gonna cook some dinner on our stove. We're gonna make some Mexican burritos. Made some Mexican rice, some beans, and diced beef and everything. So just want to say thanks to everyone for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're into the show. More vlogs to come. And we're waking up tomorrow and we're gonna head through Auckland and so on and so forth. So we'll see where the adventure takes us. Anyways, take care, guys. Peace out.